Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about what relationships are and why we need to use them within Power BI. Stay tuned. So, over here I have pulled two tables, the dimension channel table, the dim channel table, and the fact sales table. So, the two tables share one column. So, the fact sales table has a column called channel K, and the dim channel table has another column called channel K. It has the same name and it has the same values ranging from 1 to 4. And on the dim channel table we can see the different channel names stored over here. To illustrate why we need to create relationships, let's try to get or show the total sales or the sales amount by channel name. So I would go here and from the dimension channel or from the dim channel table, I would add the channel name column and go to focus mode. Then from the fact sales table, I would add the sales amount column. So as you can see, the table is showing the same sales amount for all the channels, and it's showing that same amount for the total sales for all the channels combined. This is simply because Power BI cannot recognize the fact that the two tables should be linked together or should be connected together through the channel key. So to solve this problem, we basically have two solutions. The first one is to merge the two tables so that I can pull the channel name column from this table to the fact sales table and use it from there. The other solution is to build a relationship. So why is it better to build a relationship most of the time? It is better because of a few things. So we have already discovered in the previous chapter how to merge two tables together. Let's see very quickly how we can make a relationship between these two tables. To build a relationship, we need to go to the Model tab, and next we need to, of course, identify which columns we would be using for building this relationship. So it should be the channel key column on both tables. All I need to do is to just drag and drop this column over the other column I would like to make a connection with. Power BI would take a second to load, then it would build this relationship we have right here. So if we go to the report view one more time, we can see now that the report is showing the sales amount for each individual channel name, and it is showing the total for all these channels combined. So back to the question we asked before, why is it better most of the time to build a relationship instead of merging the tables? That's better for a few reasons. Number one, it makes the model smaller in terms of size. That means that the refresh times would be shorter and the responsiveness of the model itself would be much faster. And the second important reason is that it's much easier to maintain relationships compared to merging the tables. Imagine we have 5 tables that we need to connect to the fact sales table. And in reality, you might even have a lot more than just 5 tables. Let's just assume we have 5 tables. In that case, to maintain or to edit the merge we have done, we would need to go to the query editor and go through the applied steps or go through the list of applied steps for the fact sales query to figure out what we could have possibly done wrong. But in case we need to edit or fix anything with our model, in case we use relationships instead of merging to make the connection between the two tables, all we need to go is to go back to this model view, and it would be very easy to delete this relationship if we like, or even change its direction, as we will learn later on this chapter what I mean by direction, or even change its cardinality, or even change which columns should be used to build the connection between the two tables, or anything else we like. And additionally, it's much easier to understand how the tables are connected this way compared to merging the two tables. So that model view represents a diagram that we can look at and easily understand the relationship among the different tables in our model, compared to merging the tables, where we would have all the logic behind the connections among these tables in one big list that could be very difficult to be understood. That's all we need to know about what relationships are and why we need them. See you in the next video. If you like this type of content, subscribe to our channel, hit like, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And by the way, we also offer Power BI consulting and training services at www.powerbimaster.com. See you in the next video.